Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious rice, and it's very easy and so yummy, guys. So the only thing you will need is some olive oil. You can get one olive oil for $1 in the dollar store. A little bit of rice, old rice that you have in the fridge already. It's cooked already, and one onion. And you chop the onion first in small pieces, peel it and chop it off. Like I said, this recipe is a recipe on the budget for people maybe struggling right now to make something delicious with not too much money on their hands right now on. But don't worry, this will be so good, you guys. So you use whatever oil you want. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, canola oil, whatever oil you have. Onion, it doesn't need to be a red onion, can be a regular like white onion. Just you buy one onion is like 20 cents, I believe, if you buy it in Walmart or something, any store, farmers market. And yes, chop it in small pieces. And if you can use like one whole onion or half of an onion, but I recommend whole onion because the onion, once it's like cooking, it just gives out like really delicious sweet flavor to the rice. So I'm using the whole onion, but add as much as you want to. So then you saute your rice in the panel. So you put like 2 to 3 spoons of olive oil in there, and you put your rice in there. Make sure the rice is cooked already. Of course you can do it without cooking the rice, but I recommend to cook the rice first. And yeah, as you can see, this rice was like from the day before, and it's a little bit hard. It was in the fridge, but don't worry, just keep smashing it and make sure it's like spread out evenly all over your panel. And add a little bit more oil if you want to. I like my rice to become a little bit crispy, so that's why I added more oil into it. Like I said, this is a very budget-friendly meal, because it's the rice. You can get a bunch of rice for like maybe even like $1 in the dollar store. You can get rice, I believe. You can get a big bag for $3, and the onion, like I said, 20 cents. And yeah, the olive oil is $1 in the dollar store as well. So you add the onion right now here that you chopped into the rice, and then you just mix it around with your spatula. Make sure it's mixed well into the rice, and turn up the heat for like medium heat, and let it sizzle, let it cook. And then you will grab some salt and pepper. Go grab some salt and pepper if you have, and you will put some salt on it, and I'm just using like a half spoon, and some pepper. So use some pepper, don't put too much, like a half spoon of pepper, and mix it very well as well. You guys, when you finish to cook this rice, it's gonna be really delicious. And this rice you can serve with a sausage or chicken breast or whatever you have around your house, or just eat it plain like this, because I like my rice to be eaten like this with maybe peas on the side, because I'm not a big fan of meat anyways. So yeah, but just eat it the way you like it. Okay, so here I am mixing everything together. And then go and grab some water, 1/4 of a cup of water, like here you see, and then pour it over the rice. Now you turn on your heat on medium heat, and you turn it on for 20 minutes, and while it's cooking you keep stirring around once in a while, and make sure the rice is not gonna burn or it's not gonna stick to the panel, and you keep stirring until the onions are well cooked through. And this is it, you guys. This rice is just so delicious. Your family gonna love it, and it's something different because, like I said, because of the onion, the rice has the sweet flavor, gives the sweet flavor to the rice, and it's just so good. I would highly recommend it for you if you make it with coconut oil. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.